Hello friends, in this video I will show how to use aggregate function in Excel. In this table, if I want to sum the column, I will use is equal to sum, then first bracket, and I will select the entire column, bracket close and press enter. The result will appear. Suppose any error occurs in any cell of the column, then result will also error. Suppose I will type here NA, then error occurs in this column and results also appears. It is a error message. It gives error message. Then how we will do the sum of this column? For this we will use the aggregate function. Then aggregate function is equal to aggregate. You select aggregate, then first bracket, then I want the sum of the columns, and I will select the sum for 9 here, comma. Next I will ignore the error values. Here you see in number 6 it is ignore the error value. Clicking on here, 6 will appear, then comma, and I will select the entire column and pressing F4 button I will lock the cell, bracket close and press enter. The result will appear. So by using the aggregate function we can sum the column if any error values occurs. Similarly, suppose I hide two rows from the table. Say I will hide 2 and 3 rows from this table, and now I want to sum the column. Then I will use the again aggregate function. If I use the normal sum function, you see sum, then you see error message appears because in the hidden cell there is a number which is shows in error. Suppose it is 100, then you see the value will appear. Suppose I hide these two columns, and if I want to sum, you see what happened, is equal to sum, first bracket, and I will select these 3 cells, press enter. You see the results which appears has been counted the hidden rows. That means the hidden rows also calculated here. But we want the sum of the cells which are visible, not the hidden one. For this I will use the aggregate function. Then is equal to aggregate, and I want the sum here, so I will select the number 9, then comma. Now I want the ignore hidden columns. Here 5 is the ignore hidden column. Clicking on it, 5 will appear. Then I will select the column and press F4 for lock the row, close the bracket and enter. You see the sum will appear. Hope you understand the aggregate function. If it is useful for you, then like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.